Do you want to know how to take advantage of all the MAM capabilities using your own NLE? Or how to stay productive with remote editing using Adobe Premiere? Hello, I am Tony Vilalta, Director of Product Management at VSN, and welcome to another VSN Shortcuts. Let's start by creating a new project in your last versions of Adobe Premiere. We will also create a new sequence where you will be able to drag and drop assets from VSNExplorer using our panel into your timeline. Let's open VSNExplorer panel from the same Adobe Premiere interface, where you will be able to log in into the MAM system. Once we are logged in, we can browse assets from the Production Asset Management view, the PAM, or we can make searches into the MAM to get your assets. From any of those options, you can preview the content using Adobe Premiere Player. If this asset has a low-res version, you are previewing the low-res and you can drag and drop either the high-res or the low-res into your bin. You can also drag and drop multiple assets into your bin and also drop them into your timeline. And you can combine in the timeline low-res or high-res versions of your assets. You can also use the search to get to your assets and drag and drop the content, either high-res or low-res, into your timeline. You can make your editing combining multiple files in your timeline, files that are dropped into the timeline from VSNExplorer. And finally, you can export your final media using the export option inside the VSNExplorer panel. Here, just select the format and select if the render should be in local using Adobe Media Encoder or using the Adobe Media Encoder in our workers in the cloud. When the export is started, you just have to wait for the file to be processed. You can also check the real-time workflows status using our workflows viewer. From the web interface, you will be able to see at real time the status of all your renders. You can have multiple users rendering using the workers, either in the cloud or on-premise, and you can see the real-time status of all these actions. The final result will be a new asset in VSNExplorer ready to be distributed. Here you can see our sequence already generated that you can use to either distribute to different platforms or, why not, reuse for other editings.